Hi everyone, welcome to today's ODX workshop. My name is Kevin Darwish, I am Marketing Director.
My name is Max, a Product Specialist.
So today we're going to be talking about converting your vehicle's interior and exterior lights to LED. So you're wondering, what am I talking about when I say interior and exterior lights? We're talking about mini bulbs. Most of the time when people want to convert their vehicles to LEDs, they'll do their low beams, their high beams, or their fog lights. But most of the time, the rest of the vehicle gets ignored, and it's really something that could complete a package when you convert the car completely to LED. So today the goal is to teach you how, from step one to the final step, how to convert the mini bulbs on your vehicle. We're going to start by presenting our new series, which is the ODX Dynamite Series. We're going to teach you how to know which bulb you need according to your vehicle using our website. Then we're going to teach you to find out if your car needs a resistor. And finally, if your car does need a resistor, we're going to teach you how to install it depending on what the application is. So stay tuned. The Dynamite is our new mini bulb series from ODX. And as you can see from the packaging, it looks like a stick of dynamite, and you have your SKU in the timer box right here. So the Dynamite series is offered in 4 different colors, and we have over 30 different SKUs. So your first option would be the 6500K white, which is your traditional white. We also have it in the festoon format, which is for the interior lights. Next, we have the amber mini bulb, which is mainly used for your turn signals front and rear. Then we have the red mini bulb, which is used for brake lights. And finally, once again, for brake lights, we have the red strobe series, which will give you a demonstration shortly. We're always looking for ways to be seen and stay safe, and the ODX Dynamite Red Strobe Series has the solution to that. Now, this is good for vehicles, motorcycles, ATVs, anything that has brake lights. So once the brake pedal is depressed, you'll have a quick strobe effect, which will really catch the attention of anybody following you. Now, normally if you would like to have a strobe effect with your brake lights, you would need to install a secondary module aside from your LED bulbs to get the strobe effect, as you can see right here. Now, ODX took the headache out of it and integrated it directly into the bulb. So all you have to do is install it into your vehicle and you will get the red strobe effect. With the advancements in technology today, the body control modules of vehicles are getting more and more sensitive. When you install an LED mini bulb on a vehicle, you could either have some hyperflashing or you could have a burnt bulb detection warning in the cluster. So ODX has multiple different load resistors depending on which bulb you're going to be choosing for your vehicle. And ODX really did a good job at matching the wattage of the resistor to the original bulb that comes on the vehicle. So we're going to be doing some installation demonstrations on this 2018 Kia Optima. We're going to do a straightforward installation, and we're also going to do an installation that requires a resistance. So let's start with the taillights.
Let's start by using the bulb lookup database on the ODX website at www.odx.ca. Enter in the year, brand, and specific model of the vehicle, and you will get a list of all the different bulbs that the car is equipped with, including their location. As you can see for this Kia Optima, the rear turn signal is an 1156, whereas the brake light bulb is an 1157. Now that we know what bulbs are required for the rear turn signals and brake lights, we will start by removing the bulbs from the taillights. We will start with the turn signals. Remove the halogen bulb from its socket and replace it with the ODX Dynamite Amber LED mini bulb. Since this vehicle requires a resistor, we will plug the bulb in and give you an example of what the vehicle will do without a resistor. As you can see, the bulb is hyperflashing, and we will also get a check turn signal warning. In order to know what load resistor is going to be required on this Kia Optima, we're going to visit the ODX website, go into Tools and Resistor Finder. We will start by indicating which bulb we are using. Right now, we are using the Dynamite 1156. Then we are asked if the vehicle is equipped with a bulb failure detection system. The Kia Optima is. Finally, we need to indicate if this bulb is being used for a turn signal. In this case, it is. As you can see, the required resistor, which the part number is resist 50-6 UNI, is a 50 watt 6 ohm resistor. One side will be connected to the low side of the turn signal, and the other end will be connected to the ground. Now that we have our proper load resistors, we are ready to install them. As the resistor finder indicated, connect one side of the resistor on the power wire and the other side on the ground wire. Although the connector clips that are included work very well, we recommend soldering for a cleaner installation. As you can see, there is no more hyperflashing and the check bulb warning is gone. The final step is to mount the resistor to a metal surface. Resistors can get really hot. Once mounted to a metal surface, they can reach a temperature of about 60 degrees Celsius. A resistor that is not mounted to a metal surface can reach up to 200 degrees Celsius. We can now move on to the brake light. Remove the halogen bulb from its socket and replace it with the ODX Dynamite LED Minibulb. We chose to go with the red strobe. As you can see here, the bulb works properly, but once again we are getting a check brake light warning. Once again, to know the resistor, let's start by choosing the bulb used. We are using the 1157 Dynamite. Once again, the vehicle is equipped with a bulb failure detection system, and the bulb is not being used as a turn signal in this case. As you can see this time, two resistors are required, one for the parking lights and one for the brake light. Carefully look at the image to know where to connect them. As the resistor finder indicated, connect one side of the resistor to the brake signal wire and the other side to the ground wire. Even though the resistor finder indicated that two resistors were required, this vehicle only has a warning signal for the brake light, which means only one resistor was needed. Once again, mount the resistor to a metal surface. We will now change the reverse lights. This will be an easy installation as no resistors are required. Simply swap out the halogen bulb for the ODX Dynamite Minibulb. While filming this video, we realized that the Kia had a burnt license plate bulb. Might as well change those too. Once again, simply swap out the old bulb for the ODX Dynamite Minibulb. There you have it. The turn signals, the two brake lights, the license plate lights, and the reverse lights have been swapped out to the ODX Dynamite LED Minibulbs. Finally, let's change out the interior dome lights for the ODX Dynamite Festoon bulbs. Simply remove the old lights and install the new Festoon LEDs. Watch out when removing halogen bulbs. If they have been on, they can get very hot.
As you can see, as long as you use ODX's bulb application database, pair with the resistor finder tool, installation is a breeze, and the results are awesome. Thanks.